So here is your simple guide of using your Arduino Uno in 2026. So for that using, you just need to have your Arduino cable itself and Arduino clone in your hand, and just fix your cable wire here, and you have to connect the other end in your laptop or PC. Let's show you what you have to do after using that. So in your laptop, just open it. Yeah, it's open. Let me open your Arduino Uno app itself. Yeah, this is my pretty light which I use for shooting temporarily. Let me close this. Yeah, now you can see better. Yeah. So now after connecting your Arduino Uno, let me show you how to connect that. You have to connect to your USB and light blink. Yeah, the LED program is already running, so previously I just tested it, so LED is just blinking. I will show you again what to do, how you can blink this LED. This is the most famous thing what engineers do after buying a board. So first of all, you have to select your COM and board. For that, just press here and write Arduino and select this Arduino Uno. Select your port which appears here. My port is COM6 and press OK. Now you can see here there is Arduino Uno on COM6. Just that's it. Now you have to don't go to ChatGPT. We have itself here default programs like click file, click examples, click here basics, and you can find here many much more things here you can find, and it's very helpful. Display sensors, control communication, analog digital. For now we have to go to basics, and we will do a much better thing, that's a blinking LED. And just click it. We have opened another window of Arduino. Yeah, that's a blink code for Arduino. Just press upload. You don't need to compile every time. It's uploading is done. Yeah, and you can see our Arduino board is blinking. This is the most famous thing every engineers do after buying a board. I am advising you that don't do this. You can do much more better things after buying a heavy microcontroller like this for your beginner, for your hobby. So I will also make a video on what types of things you can do by using this board. You can also do some creepy things by using these types of board. There are much more creepy and darker boards like ESP32, ESP Brom module, that's far more dangerous than this Arduino board. It can do much more much more danger thing. As if you have a creeper mind, you can do whatever you have to do by using that ESP32 board. So I will make more videos because I have also little bit creepy mind. As you see, just I have just blink LED. So we are nerd of electronics. We will do much more darker things in future. I will make more videos how you can start creepy things. So for now, just subscribe to my channel. Much more creepy ideas that are coming in my previous future videos. So just like and comment which part do you like in this video, and yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching.